Ever wondered how the world's most famous cities looked hundreds of years ago? Imagine if you could journey back in time, not just in books or movies, but in vivid, lifelike detail. Welcome to a new frontier of exploration, where artificial intelligence peels back the layers of time to reveal the ancient grandeur of our planet's most iconic cities. From Rome's Colosseum to the bustling streets of Edo, Tokyo, we're time traveling through history. Join us on this AI-powered journey through history. We begin in Rome, a city rich in history and architectural marvels, a city where every stone whispers tales of a glorious past. Rome as we see it today is a bustling metropolis, but let's rewind the clock and step back into its ancient grandeur. Imagine the city in its heyday, over 2,000 years ago. Marvel at the sight of the majestic Colosseum, an architectural achievement that stands as a testament to Rome's imperial power. Built from concrete and sand, it once held up to 50,000 spectators, a crowd drawn to witness gladiatorial contests, public spectacles, and dramas based on classical mythology. Visualize the Roman Forum, the heart of the Roman Republic, where mighty emperors like Julius Caesar once roamed. Picture the bustling markets, the grand temples, and the public speeches resonating through the marble archways. The ancient Romans were pioneers in urban planning, sanitation, and infrastructure. They built an extensive network of roads, aqueducts, and bridges, many of which still stand today. Their architectural prowess and innovative engineering techniques have influenced city planning and construction around the world. The city's influence extended beyond architecture. It was a melting pot of culture, politics, and innovation. The Romans gave us a legal system, a calendar, and even the concept of the apartment building. From the grandeur of the past to the hustle of the present, Rome continues to stand the test of time. A city that was once the epicenter of one of the greatest civilizations in history is now a vibrant metropolis, still echoing with the whispers of its glorious past. Next stop, Paris, the city of love and lights. But let's rewind the clock, far back to the medieval age, when Paris was emerging as one of Europe's most influential cities. Imagine cobblestone streets, bustling with merchants peddling their wares. The air is filled with the scent of fresh bread from boulangeries, and the lively chatter of Parisians echoes through the narrow alleyways. The Seine River, the lifeblood of the city, teems with boats ferrying goods and people, its banks a hive of activity. Dominating the cityscape is Notre-Dame de Paris, a marvel of Gothic architecture. Its construction began in the 12th century, taking almost 200 years to complete. With its flying buttresses, intricate carvings, and towering spires, it was a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance. Paris was a city of contrasts during the medieval age, a hub of knowledge and culture, yet subject to the harsh realities of life in those times. The University of Paris, one of the oldest in the world, was a beacon of learning, attracting scholars from far and wide. Simultaneously, the city was often ravaged by famine, disease, and conflict. Fast forward to the present, and you'll see a city that has retained its historic charm while embracing modernity. Cobblestone streets have given way to grand boulevards, but the spirit of Paris remains unchanged. The Seine still flows, now crossed by ornate bridges, and Notre-Dame stands resilient, a symbol of Paris's enduring spirit. Paris, a city that beautifully blends its rich past with a vibrant present. Now, let's teleport to Tokyo, a city that perfectly marries tradition with modernity. Just imagine, centuries ago, this modern metropolis known for its towering skyscrapers and neon lights was once a humble fishing village named Edo. During the 17th century, the Tokugawa shogunate established Edo as Japan's de facto capital, signaling the start of the Edo period. This era was marked by significant economic growth, strict social order, isolationist foreign policies, and an enjoyment of arts and culture. Strolling through the streets of Edo, one would witness the lively hustle and bustle of merchants, samurais, and townsfolk. Traditional wooden houses, grandiose castles, and beautifully manicured gardens painted a picturesque landscape, a stark contrast to the concrete and steel structures of today's Tokyo. The Edo period was an important time in Tokyo's history. It laid the foundation for the city's transformation into one of the world's most populous urban areas. The period ended in the mid-19th century when the city opened up to the west and embarked on rapid modernization. Tokyo's journey from Edo to the present day is a captivating tale of resilience and evolution. It's a testament to the city's ability to adapt and thrive amidst change while still preserving its unique heritage and culture. Tokyo, a city that has grown from a humble fishing village to a bustling metropolis. Through the lens of AI, we've journeyed back in time. We've strolled through the grandeur of ancient Rome, felt the vibrant pulse of medieval Paris, and marveled at the transformation of Tokyo from a humble fishing village to a bustling metropolis. Each city, a testament to the passage of time and the relentless march of progress. Every stone, every street, whispering tales of a bygone era. So as we step forward into the future, let's not forget to look back. Where will you travel next? Enjoyed your time travel? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'd love to hear your thoughts on this journey. Which city would you like to time travel to next? Perhaps you'd like to stroll the streets of Renaissance Florence, or maybe you're curious about the pyramids of ancient Egypt. Let us know in the comments below. Stay tuned for our next adventure in time. Until then, keep exploring.